Every day, millions of people across India are diagnosed with life-changing illnesses or suffer injuries.
On June the 29th last year, he had a major fall. He fell face first and he pretty much smashed his head against the pavement. Got a skull fracture as a result of which a lot of problems subsequently arose.
These illnesses and injuries will have a deep impact on the family, friends and loved ones, often for a long time.
Patient is my father and his name is Emil Gupta. He suffered this hypoxic brain damage. He had a cardiac arrest in the hospital itself. So since then he has been in a vegetative state, or you may say in a paralytic state, for the last 12 to 13 months.
To help heal these patients, doctors in the medical community use the most innovative diagnostic and surgical instruments combined with therapy and cutting-edge drugs. Yet, there is one powerful factor which is often underestimated: nutrition.
For me, nutrition allows my patients length of stay in the ICU to be short, and that is why I'm a happy person.
Nutrition is important for everybody, but for disease states, it becomes even more so.
At Healthcare Nutrition, our mission is to transform vulnerable lives through the power of nutrition. As part of the world's largest nutrition, health and wellness company, backed by 140 years of expertise and knowledge in nutrition, we are committed to deliver science-based, personalized nutrition solutions for medical conditions.
The doctor suggested to us, his neurologist suggested that we start something called Resource. Initially, in the first week or so, he must have had about 3 or 4 tins of Resource. And he retained that, and he retained it well.
As most of your diabetic formula, your renal formulas are the ones which supply me that kind of protein levels, and in the volume of feed that I give, I manage to get that kind of proteins in my patient, and that is why I use this diabetic resource, renal resource so often in my day-to-day practice.
We are giving him this Nestle diabetic resource that was recommended to us by the doctors in Fortis only, and it is the main source of supplement nutrition to him.
Whether it's stabilizing critically ill patients or giving surgical patients the strength to carry on, nutrition has the power to improve patient outcomes and enhance the quality of life.
Nutrition is very important for patients. Malnutrition definitely delays wound healing. Length of mortality is there. The length of stay in hospitals increase, the costs go up, the mortality rates are higher. The patient's recovery is much slower for a person who's malnourished. We are using the whole range. We are using the high protein, the normal formula, then we are using hepatic, we are using the resource renal and dialysis, the peptide based formulas.
There was definite improvement that I could make out with this particular product in the sense that he was retaining something. I have no doubt in my mind that this worked very well.
Actually, I tell you, after the surgery, he lost a lot of weight, but now he's gaining weight. Yeah, we are confident of his recovery.
Now he's walking around, as you can see, and a fair deal of cognitive things. He's actually even playing chess once in a while. When our son was here, he actually got back and played some chess with him. And things are slowly but surely, hopefully, on the mend. I am very grateful that this particular product existed at a point when I needed him to have it, and it gave him a certain amount of nutritional input that he obviously wasn't getting and which was required for his recovery. It's a very slow but gradual process, fortunately, of improvement.
Nestle Health Science, nourishing personal health.
This year, we celebrate 100 years of building happy nests in India. Building happy nests is about enhancing the quality of our consumers' lives by providing good food and good life. It's equally about providing them products that help nourish personal health and promote smiles. This is the core of healthcare nutrition. I have always shared with you how important I consider this business to Nestle in South Asia. Healthcare nutrition can help us differentiate ourselves from our competition by making a meaningful difference and consolidate our leadership in nutrition, health, and wellness. We have made already a good start, a winning start. The project team, under the leadership of Vinit, has done an outstanding job of starting the new manufacturing location. Product is being shipped, products being sold, and I have seen the results of January which look very good. And I'm looking forward for the business plan being in the place. Now we have to win again, but in a different place, in the marketplace and the hospitals, by making the product available widely and, important, generate prescriptions. And by unleashing the power of one Nestle, I am sure that you will make healthcare nutrition win again and again. Good luck to you all.
The trust that doctors place in our products is a responsibility we take very seriously. And because of this, the challenging situation that we faced last year was completely not acceptable. We have taken significant steps to overcome these challenges. You have just launched Peptamen, the world's best product, and you're seeing good results in the market already. The project team started a new manufacturing location in just 2 or 3 months. This will ensure consistent supply and with improved quality products. And today, we are proud to bring to you the Resource family in a new look. The new packs are more modern and will have much higher impact on shelf. But more importantly, the branding is consistent with very simple and easy to read benefit claims. Healthcare nutrition always tries to be a partner of healthcare providers in helping their patients. And this dedication today is represented by Nestle Health Science, which is our new unifying identity. Nestle Health Science is symbolic of Nestle's efforts at offering scientifically advanced products to doctors. This year, when Nestle commemorates 100 years, we reaffirm our commitment to our doctors, to our patients, to our consumers, and to each one of you by providing you products that you can proudly take to your customers, your retailers, so that we win again and again. Thank you and all the best.